Hello, it's nice to see you in our Python tutorial series video again. This is our third video talking about control flow. We have learned if-else statement and for loop in last two videos. In this video, I'm going to introduce you the last control flow we use quite often in our daily work, which is while statement. As you can see on a slide over here. While statement is equivalent for loop at some point. As you can see, first it will go to the condition expression. If it's false, then it will go to the stop or the rest of the code. If not, it will going to run the while body until the condition is false. That is while statement about. Of course, the first step, I'm going to open my notebook. Over here, I'm going to create another Python file over here. Let me call it while statement. And we will create the pets list again. Let me create and dog, pig, and cat. Now we can print them out. Now we can iterate the elements in pets with while statements as we used for loop before. Let me show you how we can do it. First, I'm gonna declare a variable called index over here. Let's see 0, and then while statement, and we can see index as long as index is less than the length of our list. Now we can get the element by index. Let's say index over here, sorry, and we can just print them out. Okay, now let's run. We have each time when we add 1 to the index, so that the index will increase every time when we run the while loop, so we can get the next element in the pets. Now let's run it. As you can see, it's just equivalent for loop we used before. And let me give you another example that it's a very classical example, which is a Fibonacci series. Maybe you have forgot what is Fibonacci number is. Fibonacci number is that sum of the first two elements is equal to the next one. Suppose we say 0, 1, and the next one should be 1 because the 0 plus 1 is equal 1, and the next one should be 2 because 1 plus 1 is equal 2, and the next one will be 3 because 1 plus 2 is equal 3, and then 5, and so on. Now let's implement with Python Fibonacci numbers. Now before we jump into implement Fibonacci series, let me introduce you another way to assign the variables. Actually, we can assign a bunch of variables in one sentence. For example, suppose we want to assign 3 variables. Let's call A, B, and C, and we want to assign them 2, 5, 8, and in order. And we can run it, and then we can print them out. A will be 2, and B will be 5, etc. Now let's implement the Fibonacci series number now. First, we're going to assign two variables over here. Let's just reuse E and B is equal to 0 and 1. Even we used this E and B before, if we reassign it will be covered. So E will be 0 and B will be 1 after this sentence. And now let's use while statement. And let's say A is less than n is the maximum, and we give a upper bound, otherwise it will go forever. And we're going to say n is, let's say 200 maybe, and then let's see, we should be record the series we produce in a list. So let's say the fib series, fib list, and we just declare a empty list over here, and then we will append the element we produce every time. So we will see Fibonacci numbers, append the A, the element we will produce every time, and we will see it will be start from 0, and we will say A, and the next element will be and the next element will be B, A plus B. Now at the end, let me print the Fibonacci number out. Maybe we just say in this way. Let's see whether it's work. See, it's work, and it's just exactly the Fibonacci number over here. Okay, that's all for while statement, and see you next video. Bye bye.